The Dark Side of Owning a Superbike in India, 2025 edition. Fast, flashy, furious. Owning a superbike in India, it's every biker's dream, right? But behind the roar of that engine lies a reality very few talk about. The price you pay. First up, the cost. We all know superbikes are expensive. 10 lakh, 20 lakh, maybe even more, but that's just the beginning. You'll be shocked at how fast the bills pile up. A regular oil change? 5,000 to 15,000. A single tire? That's another 20,000 gone. And God forbid your bike needs a new clutch or brake disc. Those can cost more than a budget commuter bike. Fuel quality, a hidden enemy. You'd think for this price the bike would at least run fine, right? Well, not always. Superbikes are tuned for high-octane fuel, but in most Indian cities, you're stuck with questionable petrol quality. That means engine knocking, rough idling, and in the worst case, damage to your high-compression engine. The police problem. This one's the most talked about, and for good reason. Riding a superbike often feels like riding a target. From random checks to unnecessary harassment, many superbike owners in India report being pulled over just for the sound or the brand. Helmet? Check. PUC? Check. Insurance? Still, sir, Gadi side karo. Service centers, few and far between. Let's say your bike breaks down on the highway. Now what? Unlike commuter bikes, superbike service centers are mostly limited to metro cities. That means transporting your bike hundreds of kilometers just to get it fixed, sometimes in a crate. Also, don't expect local mechanics to understand your ride. Most will refuse outright, and the ones who say yes might not be trained enough. Depreciation and resale struggles. Think that your superbike is an investment? Think again. The resale market for big bikes in India is tiny. Most buyers want a new machine, and the few who do look for second-hand models often lowball heavily. Even if you've ridden only 10,000 kilometers and kept it showroom clean, expect at least a 40% loss on resale. Practicality, or the lack of it. Let's be honest, India's roads are brutal. Potholes, speed bumps, heavy traffic, and unpredictable conditions make it hard to fully enjoy a superbike. Add to that the fact that these bikes heat up fast, offer poor mileage, and are uncomfortable for pillion riders, and suddenly that dream ride starts feeling like a burden. Passion versus reality. So why do people still buy them? Because passion can't be measured. And for some, the thrill of that throttle, the head turns, and the pure joy of riding is worth every downside. But here's the truth. If you're planning to buy a superbike in 2025, know what you're getting into. Don't just buy the dream. Prepare for the reality. If this video opened your eyes or helped you in any way, give it a like, share it with your biker buddies, and don't forget to subscribe to Bikes Media. Also, tap the bell icon so you don't miss out on more honest, real-world biking content. Until next time, ride safe, ride smart.